Okay. So not offer. Okay. No, so just one. Okay. Namo tassa 3 times. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Today lesson 8. Past participle. Do you remember in the last lesson I already explained present participle, no? Today is a past participle. Okay, you can try to read and understand. No? Past participles are mostly formed by ending t. Okay. The gacchati changed to gata. Gata means gone. Pachati changed to pachita, cook. Pachita, cook. This means I had gone, no? I had gone. So correct? I had cook. Past tense, no? Chindati, chin. Cut. Please mark if you need this mark. Okay. Tarati tin. Cross. Tarati tin. Okay. Okay, the vocabulary list. Gacchati, gata. Agacchati, agata. Karoti, kata. Vadati, vutta. Ahata. Harati, paharati, pahata. Hmm. 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 Bindati. Next. Okay. Declension of past participle. They are declined in the three genders, masculine. Example, pachita. Pachita means cook. Pachito odano, cook rice. Pachito odano, cook rice. Manusso gato, the man has gone. Anusso gato, the man has gone. Noiter, phala. Chinnang phalang, cut fruits. Cut fruit. Chinnang phalang. Chinna meaning cut. Phala meaning fruit. Puppang patitang, flower has fallen. Flower has fallen. Has fallen meaning patitang. Okay? Has fallen, patitang. Has gone, gato. The feminine, vanita. Nimantita kanya, the girl who is invited. Nimantita kanya. Vanita gata, the girl has gone. In won't write down. It is the past participle. Declension of past participle. Next, to in the another form, ablative of separation. To from another little bit another different grammatical. To is a to. To is the suffix, no, and in the sense of ablative of separation. This means from. Just example. Yeah, suffix to something add to the normal base to. Okay. It's an indicable. Now, rukka. Rukka means tree. Rukkato, from the tree. So like rukkamha also, like rukkamha. But especially rukkato. Rukkato, from the tree. Gamato, from the village. Purisato, from the man. Tato, from there. Kuto, from where. Sabbato, from everywhere. Like this. Okay. Now, the practice, past participle. So narassa pachitang odanang dadati. So means he. Dadati, gives. Odanang, rice. Which narassa, to the man. Which kind of rice? Pachitang, cooked rice. He gives the cooked rice to the man. Every day I can get cooked rice, not the raw rice. Pachitang, sada, maihang pachitang odanang we can say like this. Ahang sada ahang pachitang odanang ganhami. Sada ahang pachitang odanang ganhami. Every day I take cooked rice. Next, bhagini chinnani phalani kadati. Chinnani phalani. Bhagini meaning sister. Kadati. Kadati meaning eat. Chinna phalani. Phalani meaning fruits. Good, very good. Oh, no, very good, huh? Okay. Next. Gamang gata vanita maihang bhagining hoti. Huh? Yeah. You see the Gamang means village, to village. Gata meaning has gone. Vanita, the lady. Maihang, my. Beginning, sister, hoti, is. Okay, can combine. The woman who has gone to village, she is my sister. Okay. Understand, no? Next. Rukkato otinna pakhi darakena sakkarehi hata honti. This is the sakkarehi. The Sakkara vanita. Sorry, Sakkarahi. Okay, no. Sakkara, the feminine, no? Yeah, Sakkarahi is okay, no problem. Okay, now Rukkato, from the tree. Darakena, by the boy. Sakkarahi, with the small stone, gravel, no? And otinna pakki meaning birds. Otinna, climb birds. Climb. Honti, hata meaning killed. The birds which have descended from the tree are killed with. Okay. Small stone. Gravel. With the stone. The birds which have descended from the tree are killed with stone by the Taya kanyaya pakkang odanang. Atavito agata tassa bhataro bunjitva saisati. Quite long. Taya kanyaya. That girl. Kanya means girl. Girl. This meaning Taya kanyaya. This which bhakti? Taya kanya. Okay, later can. Pakkang odanang. Odanang meaning? Pakkang is also cook. We can say cook. Huh? Yeah. Pakkang also cook. We can say, example, pakkam palang. Palam means fruit. Pakkam means right fruits. The same way, right odana, right rice. This means cooked rice, no? Cooked rice. Atavito, from the forest. Agata tassa bhataro. Tassa means her. Bhataro, brothers. Agata meaning yes. Had come, written also can. Come also can. This is past participle. Bunjitva, having eaten. Sai santi. Sayati meaning sleep, will sleep. Okay. Her brothers who have come from the forest will eat the cooked rice by the girl and sleep. The rice cooked by that girl and her brothers who have come from the forest have eaten and sleep. Will no, so not the will eat, sleep. Not the will. The having sleep, having sleep. Sorry, the bunjitva means eaten, having eaten. And will yeah, after eaten also can. After eat, will sleep. Okay. Come. Gata go, agata come. Okay. Ahina datto so kumaro vejjassa santikam hato hoti. Ahina, by the snake. Vejjassa meaning to the physician, to the doctor also can, vejjassa. Datto so kumaro. Kumaro meaning boy. Datto meaning beaten. Santikam, nearby. Hato Hoti. Hata meaning? Hata. See? Hato. This means harati. Harati meaning carry. Past participle. Hato. Having been beaten by a serpent, the boy was carried to a physician nearby. Kuddho so bhupati nagarang agate sabbe nare maresi. Maresi meaning marati. Killed. Nare. Men. Sabbe nare. All. Agate means who come to. Who come to the village, Nagarang city. Bhupati, king. Kuddho, so Bhupati. Angry. And who has angry? Who got angry? The angry king killed all men who came to the city. Okay? More adverbs. Visung separately. Dukkha with difficulty. Sama evenly. Sanikang slowly. Sigang quickly. Evang sahasa. Dalhang ekada. In one way or one day also can, no? Vikkatum twice. Vikkatum. Sucking. One. Panchada in the 5 way. Katang how. Tatha in that way. Sadhukang well. Abinhang Ekamantang aside. Example, so sukhang sayati, he sleeps comfortably. Sa sadukang karoti, she does it well. Te ittiyo sadukang silani rakkanti. Te ittiyo, those women, rakkanti, observe the silani, precepts. Sadhukam, well. Naro sanikang agacchati. Agach is coming. The man is coming slowly, not having. Better agacchati, the coming. The man coming slowly. Vanita dikkattum nagara nikkanti. Nikkanti, vanita, the woman, plural. Nikkanti, come out. Nagara, from the city also can. Dikkattum, twice. Nagara is from the city. So come out the city also, they already have inside the from, no? According to English. Okay. Next. Attaya, another, for the purpose of attaya. Ropanattaya. Ropan is planting, some growing, planting. Attaya. For the purpose of sowing. Savanattaya. Savan is listening. Besajjattaya. Besaj is medicine. Atta is for the medicine. Medication. Kimattaya. King means what? For what? Kimattaya. Ganhattaya. Ganhana, taking. For, to get. Attaya. Okay? One write down. This is another, some more adverb. Only this one. Very simple, like dative, no? Example now. Ahang dhamma savanattaya viharang gacchami. I go to monastery for listening Dhamma. For listening Dhamma savanattaya. Savanattaya for listening. Okay? Sometimes we can to listening. To listen, it's better for listening. Ahang bhojanathaya gehang gacchami. I go to home for eat. Lunch or breakfast or dinner. Ahang gamanathaya gehang nikkami. I came out from home for go somewhere. For go. Okay. Okay, no? Okay, now Pali story. Today, Savatti. Oh, double T, yeah? Sorry, my mistake. Double T, yeah? Savatti, double T, yeah? Savatti meaning? What does it mean, Savatti? One of the city, no? Savatti. Buddha's time. Savattiyam viharati, no? Savatthi is a city. Now I want to explain a little bit about city of Savatthi. Okay, please read. I mean first, Pure Battang 2. Very good story. Understand meaning? Okay. Savatti nama Kosala Rajadhaniyang Agga Nagaram hoti. Savatti Nama. Savatti Nama is a name. Name of the Savatti. Agga Nagaram, capital city. Nagara meaning city. Agga meaning main city. Main city in the Kosala Rajadhani. Rajadhani means kingdom. Kosala, in the Kosala kingdom. In the Kosala kingdom, the Savat is a capital city, main city. Tatta meaning there. Savattiyang Satta Manussa Koti Vasanti. In the Tatta Savattiyang, in the Savat city, Satta meaning 7. Manusa meaning human being. Koti meaning 10 million. No? 10 million is a koti. Vasanti means living. Lives. Oh, very. 70 million. How many million in Singapore? Singapore, how many million? But here, how many millions? In the Savat city only. Okay. Nam is Noita. Rajadhani, then the royal city. Agganagara. Court is the 10 million. Savat is a capital city of the kingdom named Kosala. In Savat city there live 70 million people. During the Buddha's time, they have how many koti? 7 koti. Oh, sorry. Okay. Next. Buddhassa dhammang sutva. Sutva is a law, no? Sutva. Tesu manussesu panchakoti matta manussa aryasavako bhavanti. Having listened Dhamma of the Buddha. Tesu manussesu, among the human beings. Panchakoti matta. 5 koti, 50 million. 50 million, the human beings, Arya Savaka Bhavanti, are noble person. They koti, 2 koti matta manusa, the human beings, Putujjana honti. Putujjana meaning ordinary person. Very good. Sutva is having heard, having listened. Matta only. Arya noble. Savaka disciple. Putujjana is ordinary man. Understand? Among the people, only 5 koti become noble disciple of the Buddha after hearing the Buddha's Dhamma. There are still 2 koti peoples as ordinary men, like us, no? Correct? so big. But nowadays not very less. Yeah, yeah. That's why they say the peoples, they cannot say, he's not the noble person. He's the ordinary person. Cannot say people because so almost quite a lot the noble person in the Savat city. These people cannot say, oh, he's the noble person. He's like this. Cannot say. Difficult to say like this because no, this means that so many noble person. Okay, no? Arya is a noble person, no? The noble, but he has a Arya Savaka, noble disciple also can, no? Noble disciple also can, no? Though he is a noble disciple. Okay? Okay, no? I can go? Tesu Arya Savakanang. Tesu meaning among the peoples. Arya Savakanang. Oh, they kichani ahesu. They kicha means duty. There are two duties. First one, pure battang danan deti. Okay, right, meaning check. Kicha means duty, work, service. Ahesu, were. Hoth is a present, no? Pure battang meaning between do and noon. For noon. They give, okay. Among the noble ones, there were two duties to give offering to the forenoon. Okay. Next. Pacha battang gandha mala vatta bhesajja panakadihi gahetva. Pacha battang, after noon. This is for noon, afternoon. Gahetva, having taken. Gandha meaning smell item, because smell is the incense stick like this we call gandha. Mala meaning flower garland. Vatta means clothes. Besaj is medicine. Panaka is fruit juice. Any kind of juice we can say panaka. Adihi, etc. Okay. Dhammassa savanathaya, for the viharang gachanti. Gachanti meaning go to the monastery. Okay. Okay, understand? What is the meaning? Paccabhattang, afternoon. Gandha means, okay, I will explain, no? In the afternoon, having taken the scent, garland, medicine, drank, so drinks, and so on, etc. They go to the monastery for the listening to the Dhamma. Correct. Next, tasmin nagare anatapindiko nama maha upasakocha. Tasmin nagare, in that city, anatapindiko nama maha upasako. Anatapindika is a maha upasako, great donor. And Visakha nama, Visakha, her name, Maha Upasikacha. Vasanti. Vasanti is better. No double is one is Vasanti. In the city live a great male lay devotee named Anathapindika and great female lay devotee named Visakha. Okay. Ekada mahasetti chatu pannasa koti dhanam visajjetva jetavanang nama mahaviharang akasi. Ekada, one day, mahasetti, the great millionaire, Chatupannasa koti dhanam visajjetva, having spent the 57 koti. Chatu means 4. Pannasa meaning 50. 4, 50, 54. Usually the count when we are the counting example is thing, the ek 1, dasa meaning 10, ek dasa, ek 1 plus 10, 11, ek visati meaning 20 visati. Eka 1. Eka plus 20, 21. Eka visati. Okay? Understand? The same way, tinsati. Tinsati meaning 13. Eka tinsati. Pancha tinsati. Satta tinsati. Satta tin sati, third, yeah, 37, yeah, 37. Same way, Pannasa. Pannasa means 50. Chatu Pannasa, 54. Good. Having distributed Visajjetosa at one time the great millionaire spent 54 koti, 540 million of wealth and built a great monastery named Jetavana. Jetavana. Sorry? Akasa meaning? Karoti. Karoti means do. Akasi means did. Past tense. Akasi, did. Okay. Tasma Buddho Tasming Mahavihare Ekuna Visati. How you know 19? Ekuna Visati. Eka Una Visati. Ek is 1. Ek is 1. Visati. Una meaning? Less. Become 19. 19. Ekuna Visati means 19. Same way, Ekuna Tinsati. 29. Ekuna Tinsati. Tinsati meaning? Tinsati. Ekuna Tinsati become 29. Understand? Chatu Pannasa. Chatu meaning? Chatu. Chatu Pannasa. 54. Understand? No? Satta Visati meaning 20. Satta meaning 27. Huh? Yeah. No. Antara Visati. Okay. Visati, 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 all can. Okay. Tasma, because of that, Buddha, the Lord Buddha, Tasming Mahavihare, in that great monastery, Ekuna Visati Vasani, 19 years or 19 Vasi spent. Atha also Visakha. Visakha is a lady name, no? Upasikapi, female devotees. Satta Visati Koti. Satta meaning 7. Visati 20. 27 Koti. Dhanang wealth. Visajyetva. Having spent. Pubbaramang Nama Viharang Akasi. She built the Pubbarama monastery. Okay? Therefore, also can Tasma. Therefore, the Buddha stayed 19 rain retreats in the monastery. In the great monastery, Mahavihara. No? Then the great female lady devotee Visakha also spent 27 koti of wealth and built the Pubbarama monastery nearby the Jetavana, okay? Nearby the Jetavana. But nowadays very difficult to find the place. Only Jetavana we can find. Still have the Jetavana. Yeah. No. I think maybe the Ola breed take out the people. Now no more place, I think, for Pubbarama. You said in the commentary the 7th floor. 7th floor building. There's a Pubbarama. They have 7th floor. Okay, understand, no? So tasming viharepi cha vasani. Vasi. So the Buddha tasming viharepi. In that monastery also, chatu vas cha vasan. Cha meaning 6. Vasani years. Vasi. Buddha Bhagava, the Lord Buddha Bhagava, Vinnang Kulanang Guna Mahantatang Paticca. Because of the great quality of the two family. Because the Anathapindika family and Visakha family, they are very good. They have the high qualities, very good qualities. Because of that, our Lord Buddha stayed 25 vasa in the Jetavana monastery. 25 vasa in the Jetavana monastery. Kula meaning family. He also stayed in that monastery for 6 retreats. The Buddha, the Blessed One, stayed at the dwelling place for the rain retreat for 25 years in Savatthi. And it is the cause of the great virtue for the two families. Okay, understand? Word by word mean understand? Guna mahantatam paticca, the cause of the great virtue. Okay? Okay, finish. Now, why so many people was live in the Savatthi? To reach. To, okay. Anyway, the Savatthi word, we can make separate. We can make separately. Sabbang atti. Sabbang, everything have. Perfect. Everything, whatever need, everything we can get from Savatthi city. This city. Because of that, give the name Savatthi. Sabbang atti. Atti meaning have. Sabbang all. All have. Everything have. Nowadays, Singapore also like Savatthi, no? Everything we can get, no? If have money. Everywhere same. How? Oh, yeah. Yeah, understand. Money is a life. Chicken? Panatipata. Oh. Now understand? The Savatthi is Sabbang atti. All have. Everything have. Whatever need anyone, everything can get from that city because of that Savatthi. This is Agga Nagaran, the capital city of the kingdom of Kosala. Kosala kingdom. The capital city of kingdom, Kosala kingdom. Kosala kingdom. Who is the king of that kingdom? King Kosala. King Kosala is the king. He is a king. And his age and our Lord Buddha's age quite same. Same age, quite same. That's why one day he asked from the Buddha, Bhante, Lord Buddha, your age, my age, all are same. And you also reborn under my kingdom. Because of that, I want to get married from your family member, one of the lady. Then later, he got the one lady from the Sakya clan. After that, she gave the baby Vidudaba. This baby's name Vidudaba. Later, he found mother's side. But one day he want to visit the mother's hometown, mother's family members. But mother not allowed to go there because mother know his came from the Sakya clan, but mother's family, the mother's caste not so clean, not so clear. Not clear means the father is Sakya clan, mother from the low caste, a servant, because they are not good connection. But later Vidura understood about this thing. Then he got the angry mind, hatred mind. Then he thought, okay, I want to destroy, I want to kill all the Sakya, Buddha's family members. I want to kill. Then later he's planning to go there. One few times our Lord Buddha stop him. 3 times. Stop. Don't go. Don't do. Then, but later our Lord Buddha check what is their karma, or they have the karma. Because of that, I cannot do anything. I cannot anymore stop again. They will killed all the Sakya clan. Sakya family members, Buddha's family members.
So from there on, there's no more Sakya names.
No, later, but later few of them, they went to the other side. That's why in India we can see the two Kapilavastu. Two Kapilavastu, the two Kapilavastu city, king. First one in the Nepal side, second one in the India side. The first one India side, first one in the Nepal side. After Vidura destroyed all the kingdom, some Sakya moved to the India side. Later they built another place. Two Kapilavastu because of that. Huh? Vidudaba. Don't know. Okay. Huh? Huh?
We also heard this story from Mahayana Buddhist. The prince, but the mom is not pure or sacred. She's a servant, but not belong to sacred.
Yeah. But father is a Sakya.
Father is Sakya.
Okay, that's all. Next, after one day, the last class. Don't forget. Okay, try to come. Yeah, last lesson. After the next time, we will try to arrange some Pali Sutta. Going to explain the sutta with the normal way, simple way. But not enough your vocab knowledge, not enough your grammar knowledge, but anyway we try to explain. Okay? So it's a new book. It's a new book, no? You offer all? Oh, sadhu. For Sister Feli? Okay. Next time we can use this one also. Okay. Sadhu. Sukhi hotu nibbana pachu.